So let's start with the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator, bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is used, it works on bits and performs bit by bit. Like, let's prepare a table for it. Like, there are three types of bitwise operators. Let's put it, there are three types of bitwise operator. वहाँ bitwise operator के तीन प्रकार है. एक bitwise not operator. ये बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर बिट्स पे काम करता है. ऐसे कि 2 को बाइनरी सिस्टम में 2 नंबर है ना, 2 उसे बाइनरी सिस्टम में 0 0 1 0 सिर्फ 0 और 1 पे बाइनरी सिस्टम, मतलब कंप्यूटर के लैंग्वेज में 0 0 1 0 ऐसे लिखते हैं. और अगर 3 लेना हो तो उसे 0 0 1 1 में लिखते हैं. सो देर आर मेनी अदर 4 5 6 7, देर आर others also binary system, like 7 is written as 1 1 1 0, like that. Got it? So bitwise, so their first type is bitwise not operator. Second one is bitwise and operator. And third one is bitwise OR operator. Done. So bitwise not operator, it is represented by this exclamation mark. So bitwise not operator, bitwise not operator, bitwise and operator. And fourth type is bitwise, there are bitwise 4 types of, वहाँ पे bitwise 4 types of operators are used. That is bitwise. Fourth type of operator is bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise XOR operator. So let's study about bitwise not operator and operator. Let's study about bitwise and operator. So firstly, bitwise not operator is represented as exclamation mark. Bitwise and operator, it is represented by ampersand. This is called ampersand. And bitwise OR operator is represented by one slash, straight slash. Bitwise XOR operator is represented by raised to. So let's study about bitwise and operator and make a table of it. So मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ. Bitwise and operator. So let's make a table of bitwise and operator. So bitwise and operator मतलब 0 और 1. Let's take 2 integer variables a and b, and if it is a bitwise and operator, we'll make it be a and b. So if we make a table of it and take 4 types of values of it. Let's say the value of variable bitwise, the value of variable can be 0 0 1 1, and the value of b can be 0 1 0 1. Now the value of a and b means that is 0 and 0 can be of 0, 0 and 1 it is 0, and 1 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 1 is 1. That is, the conclusion is that is if the bitwise variable value of variable a and b is same, then the bitwise a and b is same, that is 1. And if any of the variable has bitwise value 0, then the value becomes 0, the result gives 0. if अगर बिटवाइज ए का वैल्यू 1 है और बिटवाइज बी का वैल्यू 1 है तो ए एंड बी का वैल्यू 1 होगा। उसके अलावा अगर ए का वैल्यू अगर 0 होता है या बी का वैल्यू 0 होता है तो पूरा वैल्यू उसका रिजल्ट 0 ही होगा। सिमिलरली लेट्स गो टू बिटवाइज और ऑपरेटर। So bitwise OR operator. So let's rub this. Means no need to rub of this. Let's take it. Okay. A or B. Bitwise OR operator. It is represented by a straight slash here. And bitwise AND operator is represented by ampersand. Got it? So if in bitwise OR operator 0 and 0, it gives the value 0. If 0 and 0 or 1, then the value of the bitwise A or 1 becomes 1. 1 or 0 becomes 1 and 1 or 1 becomes 1. So ये यहाँ पे कंक्लूजन ये है कि अगर दोनों के बिटवाइज वैल्यू 0 होते हैं तो उसका वैल्यू 0 होगा, और अगर दोनों में से किसी का भी वैल्यू 1 है तो उसका वैल्यू 1 होगा। तो A और B in bitwise OR operator the conclusion is that 0 if both the values of bitwise operator is 0, then the value becomes 0, and if any of the value is 1, then the all value becomes 1. So if let's study about the next type of operator, that is bitwise XOR operator. XOR. It is represented by this sign. It is raised to, actually raised to in computer type keyboard, this sign raised to operator. Bitwise XOR operator. Let's rub here. So XOR B. So if 0 and 0 it is 1, and 0 and 1 it's 0, and 1 or 1 XOR 0 is 0, and 1 XOR 1 it's 1. Now here the conclusion is that if the variable it's the bitwise value of variable A and B is same, then the value is 1, otherwise the value is 0. यहाँ पे कंक्लूजन ये है कि अगर दोनों बिटवाइज वेरिएबल के वैल्यू 1 और 1 0 और 0 मतलब सेम रहे, 1 और 1 और 0 और 0, तो 1 उसका रिजल्ट 1 आता है। और अगर A और B के कौन से भी अलग अलग रहे उसकी वैल्यूज़, तो उसका रिज़ल्ट 0 आएगा। तो आप सोचते रहोगे ये क्या है 0 1 0 1, तो मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि एक्चुअली चल क्या रहा है. सो आई विल गिव एन एग्जाम्पल व्हाट इट इज meant to be that I am teaching you. What you might be thinking that what's going on here. So if I will give you an example, you will be clear about it. Let's take an example of bitwise operator. Let's take the value 2. In binary system, I have earlier said that in binary system the value of 2 is 0 0 1 0. It is an computer language. If you type 2, then the value is transmitted in the computer language as 0010. In the language, it is transmitted in the values 1 and 0 and no other numbers, only 1 and 0. So in 3, if we take 3, then the value is 0 0 1 1. Here 0 0 1 1. So if we take bitwise AND operator here, so if we now earlier we took the variable a and b. If we assign the value 2 to the variable a here and the value 3 to the variable b. Now if we put the bitwise operator in this variables, we operate bitwise operator in this variables. Let's try it. Bitwise AND operator. So bitwise AND operator, that is A and B. So as we have seen in the table that 0 0 1 0 1 0, so we'll see that actually in this example. Let's take a variable 2 equal to the value of 0 0 1 0, the value of a 2, the value of 2 in binary system 0 0 1 0, and the value of 3 in the binary system 0 0 1 1. Now if we see here 0 and 1, it's 0 as we have seen in the table. 0 and 1, that is we have taken the conclusion that if the value of any of the variable value is 0, then in bitwise AND operator the value becomes 0. जैसे कि हमने देखा है पहले कि bitwise AND operator में एक कौन सा भी वैल्यू 0 रहा, अलग रहा, तो उसका वैल्यू 0 रहेगा. Similarly bitwise AND operator 1 and 1 is 1 as we have seen before in the table. जैसे कि हमने पहले देखा है टेबल में कि the value 1 1 रहेगा and 0 0. Now if now the value is 0 0 1 0 in the binary system. Now 0 0 1 0 is similar to this number. Zero zero 1 0 is similar to this 2, the value 2 in the binary system 0 0 1 0. So the value of a and b, that is 2 and 3, is 2. Similarly we can do it for the bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator. So bitwise OR operator, if we put it A or B, now 0 0 1 0, and here instead of an ampersand we put it front slash sign, that is slash 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. सो यहाँ पे 0 और 1 मतलब एज वी हैव सीन इन द टेबल, पहले हमने देखा है टेबल में कि बिटवाइज और ऑपरेटर के लिए कौन सा भी वैल्यू, अगर दोनों वैल्यूज डिफरेंट रहे तो उसका वैल्यू 1 रहेगा. इन बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर. सिमिलरली 1 1 का वैल्यू 1 रहेगा और बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर 0 और 0 0 और 0 0 और 0 इज 0 एज वी हैव सीन इन द टेबल. पहले हमने देखा है टेबल में कि 0 और 1 का 1 वैल्यू रहेगा, 1 का 1 और 1 का 1 रहेगा. So it is the 0 0 1 1 is similar to this 3. If we see here, the value is similar to 3, that is A or B, that is 2 or 3 is equal to 3. Now we will see about the example of bitwise XOR operator. Let's study about bitwise XOR operator. So bitwise XOR operator is similar. We are similar to this bitwise and similar to this bitwise and XOR operator. It is similar. That is, if further earlier we have seen in the table, it is similar to that. That is bitwise. We study about it. Bitwise XOR operator. Now if we put A XOR B, that is 2 XOR 3, let us put it 0 0 1 0 XOR operator, sign, it is represented by the sign 0 0 1 1. 0 or 1, 0 or 1, 0 XOR 1. If the two variables are different, then the value becomes 1, as we have seen in the table before. 1 and 1, it's extremely sorry, if the two variables have different name, bitwise values 0 and 1, then the value becomes 0, and if both have same value, bitwise value, then the value becomes 1. 0 0. Here 0 and 0 is same, so 1 1. As we have seen in the table before, 0 or 1 ये अलग अलग bitwise values है, so the value is 0, and the 1 1 is similar bitwise value, so the value is 1. as पहले हमने टेबल पे देखा है, वैसे 0 और 0 सेम है तो bitwise XOR ऑपरेटर में तो 1 रहेगा, और अगर डिफरेंट है तो 0 रहेगा. तो 1 1 1 0 7 का बाइनरी नंबर है. 7 का बाइनरी नंबर है. तो हमने क्या देखा, A and B 2 and 3 equal to 2, A or B 2 or 3 equal to 3, and A XOR B is equal to 7. Similarly, we can do it for NOT operator also. NOT operator का टेबल सिमिलर ही होगा. NOT operator का टेबल सिमिलर ही होगा जैसे कि फॉर बिटवाइज NOT operator. अगर हमने जैसे टेबल में पहले पढ़ा है तो A B A B, तो इसे सिर्फ बिटवाइज नॉट ऑपरेटर का मतलब बुलियन वैल्यू का अपोजिट वैल्यू देना है. It does the only one thing, that it inverses the value of the boolean value. That is, if the boolean value is true, then it gives the value false, and if the value is false, then it gives true, and vice versa. So if the value of A is 0 and 1, then the value of A is 1 and the value of B is if the value of B is 0, as we have used here bitwise not operator. So using bitwise not operator, the value of 0 bitwise value, the value of variable A, bitwise variable value A becomes 1, So it is completely opposite to the bitwise value. So let's move on to the next type of operator, that is logical operator.